let us look at a type of function that is return by address. So function can also return addresses. Function can take parameters as addresses, so they are called as call by address type of parameter passing, and also function can return an address also. Let us see some example function which returns an address. So I will write one function called as fun, and it takes some size as a parameter. Then what it does, I will write the return type afterwards, but what it does is it will take one pointer and create an array of that size. So where the memory is allocated. When a new is used here, so the memory is created in heap. So this is creating an array inside heap, and P is a pointer to that memory. So let us take, for example, if the size is 5, so array of size 5 is created in the heaps, and P is a pointer to this one. So this belongs to function fun. Now I will add some code here. So what I'll do is I will fill those values from 1 to 5. For integer I assign 0, I is less than size, and I plus plus. So this will be taking me through all these elements of a array P. Then P of I will assign I plus 1, means whatever the value of I is plus 1. So P of 0 as 1, P of 1 as 2, P of 2 as 3, and 4 and 5. So this will fill the elements with natural numbers from 1 to 5. Then what the function has done, created an array and filled the elements. Now return P. What is P? P is a pointer to an array of type integer. So this is a pointer of type integer. So that's it. This function is useful for creating an array and initializing all the elements from 1 through whatever the size you have mentioned, and then it will return the pointer to that one. So if I call this from main function, then I will take a pointer here, ptr, and I will call the function fun with the size 5. So what happens, this function will create an array of size 5 and initialize some elements there and returns the pointer. So this main is having a pointer ptr, so it will be pointing on this one. Is it allowed like this? Yes. See, this function has created some memory in the heap and it has not deleted, so the heap memory will be as it is, and it is handing over that address to the main function. So ptr will be a pointer to that one. So if you have any work related to heap memory, then those function can return the address of that heap memory, and it will be useful for the calling function. Main is calling it and the main can access that memory. Now finally we saw that a function can also return an address. So this is a return by address method. So function can take the addresses also and return the addresses also. So I have given you an example where it may be useful. So this is one of the example. So we will try this practically and we will see this one.